Hey y'all, I'm Bianca Jordan, immigration lawyer at Brazen Legal, where I help my clients get green cards through their family members, such as their spouses, parents, and children. If you'd like to work with us on your immigration case, please give my office a call at 508-942-7497, or you can visit brazenlegal.com/contact to book a consultation today. This video is about a recent success story that we had where we helped someone become a US citizen despite the fact that they came to the country undocumented. And I wanted to go through this success story with you because there are a lot of people that might qualify to get their green card in the US through a family member, despite the fact that they came here undocumented and they might not really know what to look out for. So I really wanted to just talk about that in this case to see if it could possibly help someone find a way to adjust their status in the US. So this client came to the United States illegally, undocumented, back in the 80s. And they were able to get a green card in the United States by marrying a US citizen. They married the love of their life. They had known them since high school and they got married in the US. And despite the fact that my client came to the US undocumented, they were able to still get their green card in the United States through marrying a US citizen. And the reason for that is because there is a section in our immigration law. It is section INA 245I, and it is a section that allows for this to happen. It allows certain people to get their green card in the United States as long as they pay a $1,000 kind of like a penalty fee on top of the regular fee to apply for adjustment of status. So, for example, if you were to adjust your status today through a US citizen spouse, for example, the filing fee is $1,760 as of the date of this video. If you were going to get your green card through 245I, you would also need to pay an additional $1,000 on top of the $1,760 fee. So that is what my client did. My client was able to adjust their status in the United States through their US citizen spouse, and they were able to get a 10-year green card. Now, the time for the 10-year green card renewal was coming up, and instead of renewing the green card, my client figured, you know what? I've been here a while. I might as well go ahead and apply for US citizenship. So we did that, and the process was super simple, super quick actually. This case only took a couple of months to be approved, and my client was able to become a US citizen despite the fact that they first entered the US undocumented and they were able to get their green card through a US citizen without leaving the US, without going through consular processing. And typically, for people that don't qualify for 245I, if you come to America undocumented, then you're going to have to go through consular processing to get a green card through a family member, unless you qualify for certain exceptions. For example, if you are the victim of or survivor of domestic violence and you're able to then apply for a green card through VAWA, then that's a way in which you could still get you could get a green card kind of using a family member, but petitioning on your own. But for the majority of people that come to America undocumented, if they want to get a green card from a family member, they're going to have to go through consular processing. And that's a two-step process, which first begins in America. You're filing your alien petition with USCIS. And then once that is approved, that case is going to go to the National Visa Center in New Hampshire. And then once that's done being processed, you're waiting for your interview at the embassy for your green card. So how do you know if you qualify for INA 245I? So what you're looking for is you have to be the beneficiary of an approvable Form I-130 or Form I-140 if this is for a company. And the application has to have been filed on or before April 30th, 2001. One key thing to keep in mind is that you didn't have to even be alive April 30th, 2001. There are people who could be beneficiaries of applications filed for their family members, even though they weren't born yet. For example, maybe you were born after April 30th, 2001, but your aunt or uncle petitioned for your mom to get a green card or your dad to get a green card. That application might still benefit you, such that if you are now, let's say you came to America undocumented and you're now married to a US citizen who wants to give you a green card, you could possibly use the application that was filed for your mom or dad as the bridge to then get you to get your green card in the US without leaving. So 245I cases are very rare. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, but when we find them, they're so exciting because there are so many people who come here undocumented, whether on purpose or maybe they're brought here, and because of that, they really don't have many options. So when we're able to find cases like this, it's really exciting because we're able to help people get legal status in the US without having to leave, without having to go through the process of applying for an expensive, complicated waiver. We're able to just help the person get the green card in the US. Like I said, you're just filing a green card application, and you also need to have supporting documentation as well, and you're also going to have to pay an additional $1,000 fee. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me and my law firm and how I can help you with your green card needs. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to this channel, where I'm hoping to share more success stories like this so that you can see real life cases where we're changing lives and we're helping people find solutions to their immigration challenges that they didn't even know existed. And if you're not already, please be sure to follow me on Instagram. I am at Brazen Lawyer on Instagram and really all social media, really, but I live on Instagram. It is one of my favorite platforms where I share a lot of quick tips. I go live there very often, and I'm always sharing some behind the scenes shenanigans of what I'm doing, what I'm up to when I'm not busy helping my clients get legal status. If you want to work with my law firm, again, you can call us at 508-942-7497. You can also visit brazenlegal.com/contact. You can pick the kind of consultation you'd like to have with us, either on the phone or through video like this, except it's just going to be me and you. And we help people worldwide. So as long as you've got an immigration case where you are trying to live in America, whether you're here already or if you've got a family member that is in America that is trying to help you come live here, we can help you. Our specialty is helping married couples get green cards, and our other specialty is helping people with deportation orders get their green cards on the back end. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you. Thanks for watching.